Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and software. This matters because some panels and firmware are required for always-on display to work. Once you confirm support, update BIOS and OS so drivers expose AOD features. Next, plug the laptop into power and choose a balanced or high-performance profile. This prevents aggressive sleep. Now open the display settings and the manufacturer utility. These are the first actionable tools you need to continue. You now enable and configure the feature. Go to Settings, then Display, or open the vendor app. Some manufacturers keep AOD in their utility. Turn on Always on Display, choose what shows, clock, notifications, or custom image, and set a timeout if available. Make sure brightness is low enough to prevent burn-in, and enable content filtering so sensitive info hides. Once done, test with different screen contents to confirm persistent visibility and acceptable power draw. Finish by testing scenarios. Close the lid, dock the laptop, and monitor battery drain for at least 1 hour. This shows real-world impact. Make final tweaks, enable pixel shift, reduce brightness, and choose darker content to limit burn-in. If things go wrong, first reboot, reinstall display drivers, and reset the vendor app to defaults, then check for firmware updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if AOD won't persist, disable fast startup and retry, because startup services can block persistent display features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.